The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone. Life is full of endless possibilities, right? Do the right thing at the right time to reap the benefits. A very happy day to all my dears. Here you have three of your friends with a fresh start. Let us listen to them first. Okay?
Hi, I am Advait. I am studying in 8th E, Gurukulam. I am coming from Anjumurti Mangalam. My father's name is Vinod. He is in Kuncheri High Secondary School. My mother's name is Shiba. She is in Kerala Water Authority. I have a brother. His name is Nived. He is in 4th St. Francis School. I studied up to 7th in St. Francis School. I have hobbies such as reading and playing. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Surya Prakash. I am from Kuttanur. I am a new student. In last year I studied in Taboranam English Medium School, Kuttanur. My father name is Parameswaran. He is a farmer. My mother name is Ajita. She is working in railway. And I have a sister. Her name is Lakshmi. She is studying in 10th standard. Thank you.
Hello, myself Agaldeep. I am a new student. I studied at St. Francis School, Alvaparam. My father's name is Ashok Kumar and he is running a travels. My mother's name is Sumati and she is a housewife. Thank you.
Children, today's first topic is outer angles. Have you heard the word outer angle? You heard only inner angle, right? Let's see what is an outer angle. This is a triangle ABC. Which are the inner angles? Inner angles means inside the triangle. These three are the inner angles of this triangle ABC. Then what about the outer angle? Outer angle means outside the triangle. Understood? So here, if you extend BC to D, here one angle formed, right? These types of angles are called outer angles. Okay? See, ACD, angle ACD is an outer angle here. So, which is the interior angle or inside angle at the same place? That means at C. Which is the inside angle? Angle ACB, interior angle. Interior angle is equal to angle ACB. Angle ACB. And then exterior angle or outer angle. Outer angle is equal to angle ACD. Angle ACD. What is the speciality of these two angles? You have already learned in 7th grade. These two angles form a linear pair. What is a linear pair, children? A line is drawn from another line. Then the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. This is called linear pair, right? Sum is equal to 180 degree. So here also the sum of these two angles, that is angle ACB plus angle ACD, is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So, here this is 180 degree. And what about this side? If we extend this side, we will get one more angle here, right? So, here also if you add these two, you will get 180 degree. And what about here? I am extending this here. So, this angle. So, if you add these two angles, here also you will get 180 degree. Okay, children? Here, children, in this triangle, suppose this is 60 degree, this is 40 degree. So, what about the third angle? How to find out the third angle? You have already learned that angle sum property is equal to 180 degree, right? So, here 40 plus 60 is equal to 100, 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree, right? You know that these two angles form a linear pair. So, what about this angle? If this is 80, 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degree, right? Now, we can find out this outer angle. So, total is 180, 180 minus 40 is equal to 140 degree. And here this is 60, 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. Now, children, add these 140 plus 120 plus 100, sum of all the outer angle. How much is the sum of all the outer angle here? 120 plus 140 is equal to 260, 260 plus 100 is equal to 360 degree, right? So, children, here sum of all the outer angles of a triangle is equal to 360 degree. Similarly, what about a quadrilateral, children? In quadrilateral also you can draw outer angles, right? So, these are the outer angles. You know that angle sum property of a quadrilateral is equal to, that means if you add all the angles of a quadrilateral, you must get how much? 360 degree. How? A rectangle is a quadrilateral, you just cut into two parts. So, you will get two triangles. So, 180 plus 180, 360. This is angle sum property, right? So, here 110 plus 100 plus 80 is equal to how much? 100 plus 80, 180, 180 plus 110 is equal to 290. Then 290 plus 70 is equal to 360, right? So, if you add all the angles, you must get 360 degree. This is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So, here also same like this outer angles. If you make another pair, you will get 180 degree. Everywhere it is linear pair, so it is 180 degree. So, here it is 70, so here it will be 110. 110 plus 70 is equal to 180. Here it is 110, so this must be 70. Here 100, so 80. Here 80, so 100 degree. Now, add all the outer angles, children. 100 plus 80, 180. 180 plus 70 is equal to 250. 250 plus 110. 250 plus 100, 350 plus 10 equal to 360 degree. See, here also in this case of quadrilateral also, sum of all the outer angles we got 360 degree, right? So, here sum of all the outer angles of a triangle also 360, quadrilateral also 360 degree, right? Now, can we do pentagon? What is a pentagon? 5-sided figures are called pentagon, right? Here also you can make outer angles. Okay, you can give any value here. This is not a regular pentagon, so you can give any values according to your wish. Okay, but it adds up to 540. So here this is 100. Here also everywhere it is linear pair, right? So 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree, and then here 50 degree. 180 minus 105 is equal to 75 degree. 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. 180 minus 85 is equal to 95 degree. Right? Now you add all the outer angles. So here 80 degree plus 50 degree plus 75 degree plus 60 degree plus 95 degree is equal to 5 plus 5 10 0 balance 1 1 plus 9 10 10 plus 6 16 16 plus 7 is equal to 23 23 plus 5 is equal to 28 28 plus 8 is equal to 36. So total is 360 degree. Sum of all the angles of a outer angles of a pentagon also 360 degree, right? So children, look at this. In triangle also sum of all the outer angles of a triangle 360. What about quadrilateral? That also 360, and then pentagon also 360 degree, right? So what is the general principle here? The sum of all the outer angles of any polygon is 360 degree. If it is n-sided polygon also, that means any sided polygon, that is 360 degree only. Outer angles will be 360 degree only. Sum of all the outer angles is equal to 360 degree. So this is the general rule. Okay. So in your textbook, some questions are there. Take page number 51, children. Page number 51. The first question. Two angles of a triangle are 40 degree and 60 degree. Calculate all its outer angles. Two angles of a triangle are 40 degree and 60 degree. 40 degree and 60 degree. So calculate all the outer angles. We have already done this here as an example. Okay. So write question number 1. Write this question and do like this. Okay. And then second question, compute all angles in the figure below. That is also triangle and its outer angles. So children, these questions are very easy, right? Just take linear pair 180 minus that angle. That's it. Okay. So those questions, do it as homework. Third question, compute all outer angles of the quadrilateral shown below. So quadrilateral also you can find like this angle sum property. That means sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Here sum of all the angles of a pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Okay, keep in mind this and find out this third question and fourth question also. Okay. So children, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, these are homeworks. It's same like this only. Okay. And then we are going to do fifth question now. Prove that in any triangle, the outer angle at a vertex is equal to the sum of the inner angles of the other two vertices. In any triangle, outer angle at a vertex is equal to the sum of the inner angles of other two vertices. So here children, let us consider this angle ACD. ACD is equal to 100 here, right? So we have to prove that here what is this? This is one angle, this is another, right? So the sum of two another angles, that means 60 plus 40 is equal to 100. So here also this exterior angle also 100. So the outer angle through the inner triangle, the outer angle at a vertex is equal to the sum of inner angles at the other two vertices. We have to prove this. How to prove this? Either you can prove like this, or you can write in another way using algebra. Draw a triangle. Draw in any outer angles. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Okay. We have to prove that outer angle of a vertex is equal to the sum of these two inner angles. So here we can write the small a, small b, small c, and here small d. Okay. When you are writing numbers inside the triangle, that means angle like this, you have to write either write 1, 2, 3 or small letter A, B, C, D. Okay. For naming the triangles or naming the figures, you should write only with capital letters. Okay. So here we are going to prove this angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. We have to prove this. How to prove this, children? This we have to prove. To prove angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. First, we know that this angle C plus angle D is equal to linear pair, right? That is angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Okay. And then we know that angle sum property of a triangle, right? That means sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Then children, angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 and angle A plus angle B plus angle C also 180. That means this angle C plus angle D is equal to, we can write like this, angle C plus angle D equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So angle C plus angle D is equal to, both are 180, right? That's why we are able to write like this, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. And what we have to prove? Angle D is equal to angle A plus B. So keep angle D here and take this angle C to right side. So is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C, and this is left side angle C. If not, no sign means this is plus. If plus goes to right side means minus. So minus angle C. So here angle C minus angle C, cancel these two. Then what is remaining here? Angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. So children, angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 because of linear pair, and then angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 because of angle sum property, and then angle C plus angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Why? Because both are 180 degree. And then keep the angle D term here and then angle C to right side. So angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. Hence proved. Okay. Is this clear, children? You can do the same with measurement also. Okay. Or you can write another way also. In the another way to prove this is angle D is equal to angle ACD is equal to angle A is equal to angle BAC or CAB plus angle B is equal to angle ABC or CBA. Like this also you can write everywhere and then you can prove. Okay. Children, our next topic is unchanging sum. I have already explained along with outer angle that sum of all the outer angles of any polygon is 360 degree. We proved that, right? So, here this is a triangle 1, 2, 3 outer angle plus inner angle. Here also we already know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? This 3 angles, sum of all the inner angle equal to 180 degree, and we have already learned this is a linear pair, right? These two, outer angle plus inner angle is equal to linear pair. So, here how many linear pair are there? How many vertices are there for a triangle? 3. So, 3 times 180 degree. So, 3 times 180 degree is equal to 540 degree. So, how to find out only the outer angle? Sum of all the outer angle is equal to sum of all the outer angles. Sum of all the outer angles is equal to this 540. This together is 540. So, 540 degree minus. So, what is the sum of inner angles? Is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. So, is equal to 360 degree. So, sum of all the outer angles is equal to 360 degree. If you take any quadrilateral also you will get the same result 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 linear pairs are there, right? That means 4 into 180 degree. What is 4 into 180? Is equal to 720 degree. And then sum of all the outer angles. Everywhere sum of all the outer angles is equal to 360, right? So, here how to get sum of outer angles? Sum of all the outer angles. Sum of all the outer angles is equal to, here what is the sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral? It is 360 degree, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 angles, sum of these 4 angles is equal to 360 degree. So, here sum of all the outer angle equal to 720 minus 360 degree. 720 minus 360 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So, children, in any polygon the sum of all the outer angles is equal to 360 degree. And then what is this? Number of vertices into 180. That means outer angle plus inner angle. Sum of outer angle plus inner angle, that is n into, if it is a triangle, that is 3 into 180. If it is a quadrilateral, it is 4 into 180. If it is pentagon, how many vertices are there for pentagon? 5. So, 5 into 180. Then hexagon, 6 into 180, like that. Okay. So, children, what is the general rule for finding the sum of outer angle? Number of angles or number of sides into 180. That means n into 180. If it is triangle, 3 into 180. If it is quadrilateral, it is 4 into 180. That is sum of outer angle plus inner angle, right? And that minus, what is this 180? Sum of the interior angles. Here 360 is sum of the interior angles, right? So, what is the formula for finding the sum of the angles of any polygon? We have already learned in the previous class, n minus 2 into 180, right? So, here the general formula to find outer angles is equal to n into 180, this n into 180 minus sum of all the angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180. N minus 2 into 180. Here we have done this only, n into 180. See, 3 into 180, 540 minus n minus 2 into 180. That is number of sides. If it is a triangle, n is 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 into 180, 180. If it is a quadrilateral, n minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2, number of sides equal to 4, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 into 180 equal to 360. Okay. So, n into 180 minus n minus 2 into 180 is the general formula for finding the sum of outer angles. Okay. So, take page number 54, one yellow box is there. You must write this in your notebook. The sum of the outer angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, children, let's do the exercise. Question number 1. All angles in an 18-sided polygon are equal. How much is each outer angle? How many sided polygon is this? 18 sided. So, how many angles should be there? 18 side means 18 angle, 3 side means 3 angle, 4 side 4 angle, like that. 18 sided polygon means 18 angles should be there. So, how many outer angles should be there? That also 18, right? So, how much is each outer angle? We have already learned that sum of all the outer angle is equal to 360 degree, right? So, number of sides is equal to 18, sum of all the outer angle, sum of all the outer angles is equal to 360 degree. So, how to find out how much is each outer angle? So, we need to find out each outer angle. So, measure of each outer angle, measure of each outer angle, measure of each outer angle is equal to, measure of each outer angle is equal to 360 divided by 18 is equal to how much? 18 2s are 36, so 20. So, 20 degree is the answer. So, measure of each outer angle is equal to 20 degree. Then 20 into 18 is equal to 360 you will get. Okay. So, children, the same question you can do with the different sides. Number of sides here 18. Then try with the number of sides 15 and number of sides 20. Do these two as homework. 15 and 20 sides also you do it as homework. Same like that. 360 divided by 15, 360 divided by 20 only. Okay. Number of sides is equal to 18 is given here. You have to write second and third, another two questions. Number of sides 15 and 20. Okay. Children, let us do second question. The sides PQ, RS of the quadrilateral shown below are parallel. Compute all inner and outer angles of the quadrilateral. So, this is the second question. This figure is for second question. Okay. In textbook it is printed as 3. So, this is the question. Here it is given 50 degree. This is P. This is Q. Here it is given 110 degree. This is R. This is S. Okay, compute all inner and outer angle we have to find out. Here it is easy, right? This is linear pair. So, 180 minus 50. What is 180 minus 50? Is equal to 130 degree. And here it is given 110. 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Right? Then how to find out these two inner angles and these two outer angles? One clue is given there, right? What is that? PQ and RS are parallel. PQ and RS are parallel. These are parallel. So if the transversal, this is transversal, this also transversal. The third line is transversal. So these two are co-interior angles. We have learned in 7th grade that co-interior angles are supplementary angle, that is 180. That means if you add these two, you must get 180 degree. Here also, these also co-interior angles. Interior means inside the parallel lines. Co-interior means angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, angles on the same side of the transversal. So sum of these two angles must be 180 degree. These are supplementary. So here how to find out this angle? Here these two are parallel. Here it is 50 degree is given. See, here 50 is given. What we have learned now? Sum should be 180. So 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degree. And here also obviously it is 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. And here these two are parallel lines and this is the transversal. One angle is given 110 degree. So how to find out this angle? 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree, right? So here also 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. So here last year you have learned co-interior angle, that you have to apply here. Okay, is this clear, children? Third question is homework. I will explain. Draw a quadrilateral and mark any two outer angles. You can draw a quadrilateral, okay, and then mark any two outer angles. One outer angle and two second outer angle I have drawn. Anywhere you can draw this outer angle. Is there any relation between the sum of these two? That means these two outer angles, okay, and the inner angle of other two vertices. So which are the other two vertices? This and this. Okay. So sum of these two, find out the sum of these two angles and find out the sum of these two angles. Okay. Then check it out, is there any relationship between this. You can try with either A, B, C, D like that, or you can try with the numbers itself. Numbers means you can try with the measurements itself. Suppose 50 degree, 30 degree like that, you can try with the measures also. Okay. Then write the result under this. Okay. Children, fourth question. In a polygon with all angles equal, one outer angle is twice an inner angle. Twice means two times an inner angle. First sub question, how much is each of its angles? Second sub question, how many sides does it have? Okay. So in a polygon with all angles equal, one outer angle is twice an inner angle. Twice an inner angle, we don't know how much is that. So let the measure of the inner angle be x. Measure of the inner angle be x degree. And then one outer angle is twice an inner angle. That means two times of inner angle. Outer angle is equal to 2 times x degree is equal to 2x degree. Okay. Then how much is each of its angle? See, inner angle is x degree. Outer angle is 2x degree. Okay. What is x plus 2x? X plus 2x, we know that it is 180 degree, right? So x plus 2x equal to 3x. is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree, right? That means inner angle, the measure of the inner angle is 60 degree. What is the measure of outer angle? That is 2x double. So 2x is equal to 2 into 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. So each outer angle is equal to 120 degree. Okay. Then children, second sub question, how many sides does it have? Sides and angles are equal, right? So here sum of all the outer angles, sum of outer angles is equal to, how much is that? Sum of outer angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Then here one outer angle is equal to 120 degree. So one outer angle is equal to 120 degree. So the question is, how many sides does it have? Okay. So total outer angle is 360, one outer angle is 120 degree, right? So how many angles are there? How do we get that 360 divided by 120 degree? So number of angles is equal to 360 divided by 120 degree. 12 3s are 36. So 3. Number of angles is equal to 3. Number of angles and number of sides also same, right? So number of sides also 3. Is it clear, children? So number of sides is equal to 3, that is a triangle. Okay. Children, fifth question, the sum of the outer angles of polygon is twice the sum of the inner angles. How many sides does it have? What if the sum of outer angles is half the sum of inner angles and if the sums are equal? So sum of the outer angles of polygon is twice the sum of inner angle, twice the sum of. So let us take, let the measure of the inner angle be x. Let the measure of the inner angle be x. Then we have already studied that sum of outer angle equal to 360 degree, right? So sum of outer angle is equal to, sum of the outer angle is equal to twice the sum of inner angle, that is twice the sum of inner angle means 2 into x is equal to 2x. We know that sum of outer angle is equal to 360 degree, right? So 2x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree. So which polygon the sum of all the angles is 180 degree? Triangle, right? So how many sides does it have in a triangle? 3 sides. So this is a triangle. And how many number of sides? Number of sides is equal to 3. So children, in that second sub question, what if the sum of outer angle is half the sum of inner angles? Sum of outer angle, in that second sub question, sum of outer angles is equal to inner angle we have already taken as x. So half the sum of inner angles means half into x is equal to x by 2. right? So we know that sum of outer angle equal to 360 degrees. So x by 2 is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to this 2 will go to right side, that is 360 degree into 2. This is division. Division goes multiplication when you take it to right side, right? Is equal to 720 degree. So x is equal to 720 degree, that is sum of all the inner angles is equal to 720 degree. Which polygon have the 720 degree as sum of the angles? How to find out that? You have already learned that n minus 2 into 180 degrees the sum of all the angles of a polygon, right, is equal to 720. So n minus 2 is equal to 720 degree by 180 degree is equal to 4 times. So 4. So n minus 2 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. This minus 2 to right side means plus 2 is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. So number of sides is equal to 6. So what is the shape? This polygon is a hexagon. This is a hexagon. So what about the number of sides? Number of sides is equal to 6. Okay, is this clear, children? And then children, third sub question, and if the sums are equal, that is sum of outer angle is equal to 360, sum of inner angle also 360, sum of outer angles is equal to 360 degree, sum of inner angles is equal to 360 degree. Which polygon has sum 360 degree? Triangle 180, then 180 plus 180 equal to 360 for what? Quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. How many number of sides? Number of sides is equal to 4. 4. Okay, is this clear, children? So children, these are very important, so please practice it. Okay, children, one more topic is remaining, that is regular polygons, that we will do in the next class. Okay, until then, bye, take care.